Peacemaker Season 2 has ended, and I think we have a pretty good idea of where James Gunn wants to take the DCU, and of course, spoilers for the end of Peacemaker Season 2. Rick Flag Sr. and Argus now have control over Peacemaker's portal, and they send a bunch of Argus agents into these various dimensions, where many of them meet gruesome fates, until he finds one that's seemingly perfect. It's just this nice little forest area. That's when we learned that Flag's plan all along was to find another dimension they could send meta-human prisoners to. It's just Lex Luthor's plan all over again. Just send any dissidents to somewhere else entirely. And Rick Flag names this planet Salvation, which is an interesting name because it comes from the Salvation Run storyline from DC Comics, which runs concurrently and into Final Crisis. I believe that is what James Gunn is heading toward. Final Crisis. The Salvation Run storyline is basically Amanda Waller gets a boom tube, and she sends all of the supervillains to Salvation. The villains break up into various factions, led by Lex Luthor, Joker, and Vandal Savage, and they learn that they're not alone there. It is in fact a training ground for Dassad's parademons. Those screeches that were coming from the treetops that Peacemaker heard when he was stranded there, I think those are parademons. And Peacemaker is stuck there. He doesn't get out by the end of the episode, and considering it took 3 years between Season 1 and 2, he's probably going to be stuck there another 3 years until we get Peacemaker Season 3. But I don't think he's going to be alone there for long. I feel like this is going to be a major plot point going into Man of Tomorrow. I mean, it has to be, right? Now, during the Final Crisis event, Darkseid comes to Earth to unleash the anti-life equation and make everyone super sad, because that's just what math does. It just makes everyone depressed. Now, obviously, James Gunn could change things from the comics, but if those are any indication, I think he's going to use the Salvation Run storyline to lead to a Final Crisis-esque event where Darkseid invades Earth. And Chris hopefully doesn't die. I mean, they sent him there without a helmet.